This is how I make 100,000 naira just by playing Hammer games on my phone. This is the man that makes me to download this game.
Introducing to you the Hammergames. Okay, make sure you download Hammergames. Keep playing, keep winning.
Start what you can afford to lose. I only start with what 1,000 naira, and they give me 2,000 extra 1,000 naira deposits using this code. So stick to the end of this video because I'm going to walk you through, because I want you to cash out with me step by step on how to register on the account, how to do your KYC, and make sure you use your real name that match with your ID card so that you will not have any difficulty in withdrawing. Minimum withdrawal is 100 naira, and it's worldwide. You can get paid via your local currency, whichever country you are from, or you can use cryptocurrency to withdraw your money. Minimum withdrawal for crypto is just $5. The link to register on this platform will be on the description of this video. If you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on TikTok, the link will be on my bio. Like I said, this you play, you win. And with my link, using my link to register, if you deposit 1,000 naira, you get 2,000 naira. So let's register on it. Once you click on the link, you click on sign up. It will bring you to your sign up button. So the sign up button will be like this. So what you do is to select your country. It's worldwide that you are from. Let me check Nigeria. Okay, let's say I click on Nigeria. Here you enter your email. You can enter any email of your choice. Okay, then you enter the referral code, which is Glory 54 is the referral code. Then you click on continue. After you register, this is how your page will look like it's a new game, and the reason why I register on this platform is because of Obi Kobana that advertised it on his page. Apart from that, I will not, if I see it on honor, maybe all these our celebrities, when they talk through, I will not register, honestly. So then you come to this place and click on this account here that said accounts here. Click on it. Once you click on it, then you can edit your page by clicking on this one. Edit it, put in your name. Make sure you put in the exact name that is on your ID card, so that when you are going to withdraw, you are going to do your KYC, all right, so that you will not have any difficulty in withdrawing. So make sure you use your real name when you are editing the exact way it is on your ID card. After editing, you can put in your picture here. You can put in your picture by clicking here, okay, and select any picture of your choice and enable it. Like I said, you use your name, your real name that is in your ID card. You can watch this so that you don't have difficulty in withdrawing. After that, you can come here and do your KYC here. You see here that said account. Once you click on there, you click on it. Do your KYC. Your KYC, click on it. You do your KYC. You can do your security verification, your two-factor code, you understand, and you can use a password. So these ones are easy to do, so you can do it. It's not difficult. Your KYC, these are the information you need. Okay, your phone number, this blah blah blah, and your government ID card. You can see it here. Use your government ID card and you do what? Face authentication. All right. Then if you want to deposit, you click on this one that says deposit here, this deposit button. Once you click on it, platform is worldwide. You can deposit via bank transfer if you are from Nigeria. If you are from other country, you can use USDT or voucher or this one, whichever one you want you can use, but me, I use USDT or bank transfer. Once you click on any one, let's say you want to use the bank transfer, you click on the bank transfer. Like I say, the minimum here is 1,000 naira. If you use my code, once you deposit 1,000, you get 2,000. So any amount you deposit, you get double of it when you use my code glory54 as the referral, as the invite code. So once you enable it, you just put in the, and it will deposit immediately. If you want to use USDT, you click on USDT. Once you click on USDT, you can see the minimum here, $5. Then you enter your amount you want to deposit and click on continue. The wallet will appear. All right, let's go to where to play the game. Now these are the 4 games available on this right now. You can also follow them on their social media handle. You can also click the link and follow them. So you can see Obi Kubana advertising the platform. That's the reason why I register on this platform, because I know him as a very honest person. So coming to the playing of the game, this is my favorite game here. This one is my hammer spin. That's my favorite game, and I've been winning, and you will see the screenshot of my winning at the screen here. So let me show you how you can play this game. That's how you play the game. You can use any amount you have depending on your level. The lowest you can use to play is 50 naira. Depending on your currency, you can see 50 naira here. And once you come here, there's some noise maybe and music. For you to mute the noise and music, you click on this icon, this setting icons. Once you click on the setting icon, it will come like this. Then you click on option, you select the option button, which is this. Once you select the option button, you tap on it. So you can see I have turned, then this thing will be on, then you can turn it off. Okay, you tap on it, you turn it off so that it will not be making noise. So this is how you play the game. Let's say maybe I want to use 200 to play this game. Then I enter 200, then you spin. Once you spin, you will see how it's go. So depending on you and your strength, now you can see I want 1,000 naira. So that's how you win the game. You can increase or you can decrease any amount you want. Then you spin again. Once you spin, you still wait. Like this one are the favorite one I'm playing. The other one I will also show you, but I don't play that one because I don't know how to play it. This one is the one I've been playing and I've been winning. And when you check up here, you can see how much I've been able to win on this. Sorry about that. You can see on my winning, I have over 100,000 this thing here, so which I can withdraw at any time I want. So that's how to play the spin. So let's go to the shooting. So Dogu Hunters, you can also, like I say, you can click here to increase. If you want to remove the music, you come here, click option, you remove the music. You can see how I did, I removed the music. So once you come here, if you want to increase your money, you increase. So here, this is where you click to join the game here. Okay, that's how you click to join. It has now started, so it will go like this until you click on this shoot. Then you can now claim. You can see you can claim your bank. So this is how I play Odogu Hunter and Hammer Spin. So this one is also a raffle draw, which you can also check if it is convenient for you. You can also check on the raffle draw. The minimum of withdrawal is 100 naira if you are using naira, but if you are using crypto to withdraw, the minimum is $5. So if you have any question, kindly drop it on the comment section. Then like and share this video. Watching on TikTok and you have not followed me, click the plus sign and follow me so you not miss out all my money making tips updates. If you're watching on YouTube and you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smash the subscription button and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up so that whenever I post money making tips update, you will be the first to get notified. Who knows, my next update may be a life-changing opportunity. Let's dive. Ciao, ciao. Good luck. See you on my next video.